Every boat operator knows that rinsing the seawater off the boat after every use is a priority. Unfortunately, up till now, rinsing the hull of your boat requires lots of bending and crawling around. The Boat Blaster helps make your boating life more enjoyable and helps keep your boat's finish sparkling. With the multi-angle tip, cleaning the hull is a cinch. Just hook up the hose and you can sweep the seawater off your boat efficiently, removing all the contaminants that cause your boat's finish to deteriorate. Order today at theboatblaster@gmail.com.